Ready to be utterly amazed? Autumn's breathtaking transformation isn't just a local phenomenon, it's a global spectacle. From the vibrant reds of Japan to the golden hues of Scotland, the world explodes in color each fall. Let's explore some of the most stunning destinations to witness this seasonal magic. Leaf-peeping, as it's affectionately known, has been a beloved tradition since at least the 19th century. Think of literary giants like Henry David Thoreau and Emily Dickinson, who were captivated by autumn's beauty. Today, millions of people embark on journeys across the United States, seeking cabin getaways, camping adventures, and hikes amidst the foliage. They traverse states like Texas, explore New York's Catskills and Adirondack Mountains by bike and boat, and hike through North Carolina's Blue Ridge and Rockies. But did you know that this vibrant display isn't limited to the US? Spectacular leaf changes occur in forests worldwide, each offering unique perspectives and ways to celebrate the season. Here are 4 destinations where autumn comes alive in a kaleidoscope of colors. Quebec, Canada. The same sugar maples that paint New England in fiery hues extend their beauty into Quebec. This Canadian province offers a less crowded, equally stunning alternative to the traditional foliage routes of the US. Josie Lapka, a representative from Beaujeu, Quebec, the province's official tourism site, notes that Quebec boasts vivid reds, oranges, and gold stretching from the Laurentians to the eastern townships. The Parc d'Environnement Naturel de Sutton offers breathtaking views of Mount Sutton's yellows and reds, accessible via a scenic chairlift ride or, for the more adventurous, a zip line. For a blend of nature and urban exploration, the Jacques Cartier National Park, located just outside Quebec City, provides the best of both worlds. So, what do you think? Have you witnessed autumn's splendor in any of these locations, or do you have a favorite leaf-peeping spot? Share your experiences and opinions in the comments below.